Today we're going to be looking at the Euclidean algorithm. We're going to be using it to find the greatest common divisor, which is also known as the highest common factor. We're going to be referring to it as greatest common divisor from now on, or GCD. We're going to be using a method to find this greatest common divisor of repeated division. We can tell by inspection here that the greatest common divisor of 27 and 33 is 3. But we're going to go through the process with those easy numbers, just so you can see how it works. So I'm going to take the largest of the two numbers, 33, and I'm first going to divide by 27. Well, I can only get one lot of 27. And it gives me a remainder of 6. And then I'm going to take that 27 and I'm going to divide it by the remainder. So 27 gives me 4 lots of 6 and I have a remainder of 3. And again I'm going to take the 6 and I'm going to divide it by the remainder of 3. It's 2 lots of 3 with a remainder of 0. And at this point I know that I've found my highest common factor or greatest common divisor to be 3. Now in this particular example, you know by inspection, if the numbers are very large, you would not want to have to list all the factors of each number and try to compare them. It's a very long process. This is a much quicker method. So we'll try some with slightly larger numbers. So we're going to find the greatest common divisor of 203 and 8. So I'm going to take the 203 and I'm going to divide it by 8. Well, I can get 25 lots of 8, which gives me 200. So I have a remainder of 3. Then I'm going to take that 8 and I'm going to divide it by 3, so I can get 2 lots of 3 in there, plus a remainder of 2. I'm going to take the 3, that gives me 1 lot of 2, plus a remainder of 1. I take the 2, that gives me 2 lots of 1, plus a remainder of 0. The greatest common divisor here is 1. When we get an answer of 1 like that, these two numbers, 203 and 8, are described as co-prime. They've got no other divisor. The way we're laying this out here is important because tomorrow we're going to use this algorithm backwards to do something additional, extended algorithm. So today we want to get to the practice of laying it out the way it is there, trying to do it mentally. These will be non-calculator questions. Obviously when the numbers are quite big you might want to do some division and subtraction at the side. That's of course absolutely fine. We'll do one more. The greatest common divisor of 132 and 424. Take the largest number, 424, divided by 132. I can get 3 of those, which will give me 396, so I'm going to have a remainder of 28. And then I'm going to take the 132 and divide by 28. So be trying to do it yourselves at the same time. So can get 4 of those. And that will give me a remainder of 20. The 28 is just 1 lot of 20 plus a remainder of 8. The 20, 2 lots of 8 and a remainder of 4. And the 8, 2 lots of 4 with no remainder. So the greatest common divisor is 4. Okay, I'm going to give you a few examples to try yourself, and I will speak to you later on today.